Okay, we are getting ready to make things happen. So just give me one moment as I finish getting all of this set up. I love how you tell your students to give you 1 minute to fix technical difficulties. And what do? They send you 20 million messages because they are having difficulties themselves. Looks like we have someone that was able to get in. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. People are starting to get on in here. There we go. Now I can copy this link here and get it shared with everyone. I really wish my class would stop sending me messages. I get it. There we go. Live streams on our classroom, and here we go. We are drawing a spider today because we had our spider science lesson. A black colored pencil, crayon, marker, whatever you can, because that is what you're going to need to get us started off. Or if you just want to use a regular pencil, that works as well. So how to draw a spider. The spider is going to be a little bit more friendly than the ones we saw earlier. So let's do this. We're going to start, actually, we're going to turn our page lengthwise, and we're going to start kind of low down here, okay? So what we're going to do is we are going to draw a circle. It doesn't matter how big, how beautiful, as long as it is a circle. And then we're going to draw 2 more circles on the inside right here, just like that and like that. Then we're going to give our spider a little smiley face, frowny face, whatever you want. Put some dots in those eyes. If you want to give it more eyes to make it look more believable, do it. You know, the more lifelike you want to make it, you go for it. Then we're going to go like this, and we're going to bring in almost like a big old afro, but it's not, I promise. We're making a spider. Just give it a second, and you will see what's going on. So let's get this here. Now, we're going to get some of those legs on the front. So we're going to go ahead and kind of do a straight line like this, another straight line like this, and one more diagonal like this. Now we're going to come from the outside and kind of make a triangle, and we're going to make these look nice and scary looking. Just like that. So we've got one leg. Now we got to get the other one added. We're going to do the same thing, but on the other side. So down here on the bottom, another one, and then give it one more angle. Come out, up, and kind of give it an elbow and back in. Now, if there are any issues, if I'm going a little too fast for you, just, slow it down yourself. You can pause this video even though it's live. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 more legs because they have a bunch, and we're actually going to bring it kind of from the same general area. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to come up from right here. We're going to make that one kind of nice and tall. Then we're going to do like that, and then bring it down like this. And then we're going to bring it back up. So like that, bring it over, and finish another leg there. Okay, so now we're going to do something very similar right here. Bring that one out. I'm going to bring that out as well. And then kind of give that an angle, one more angle. And we're just kind of making these scary, pointy-looking legs. But they got a smiley face, so you know what? It's not as scary as it could be. Okay, so we've got 4 legs so far. We got to add 4 more to make it an actual spider. So next thing is we're going to come right here. We're going to do a little angle, and then we're going to shoot it upward and to the right. A little straight like this, kind of making like a parallelogram almost. And then down like this. And then we're going to fill it in and make sure we get those legs looking big and scary. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we are going to do a little angle like that, go up, over, and down. And we're getting kind of close to the edge of the page, but that's okay. We're going to go up again, over, down, and in. Now we're at 6 legs. 6 legs. Let's see what we got to do for the next one. And this is giving you a chance to catch up here, because I am following a tutorial and giving you a tutorial. That's how it works. Okay, so it looks like we are going to actually come from right here where this leg is at, and we are going to go up and then out and then down. And we're going to do the same thing right here next to it to thicken up that leg, make it nice and pointy, and pretty much the same thing right here, up, out, down, give us our point on our leg, and just like that, we have a spider with 8 legs and a smiley face. Now, our spider is going to come down from their web, so let's go ahead and put a long black line just like that. And then now we're going to add a little bit of detail to our spider's back. We're going to make them look a little bit more scary. So let's go ahead and do whatever design you want on the back of your spider. The video I'm watching does a bunch of circles. I'm going to do more of like a kind of like a Black Widow design. So we're going to go like that and do some diamonds. If you want to put some stars or some circles, you can do that as well. Whatever makes you as happy as our spider looks. So I did some diamonds. I'm also going to give our spider some fangs, because let's be honest, our spiders have fangs. Kind of looks more vampire-like, but that's what it is. And you know what? I'm going to change the way our eyes look too. I'm going to go ahead and do these right here, and I'm going to color this in with my marker. There we go. I think it makes it look a little bit more scary, a little bit more intense. Not really, it's still smiling. But that is pretty much the basic of the spider. Now you can do as you would like at this point, because we're done adding stuff. Now it's just coloring it in. So color it however you would like. I want these to be red because I said it was modeled after the Black Widow. And that's all we're doing. We're just kind of relaxing. We're drawing. If you want to, add more to your web up here, you can kind of do like some of these, and then like something like this right here. Kind of makes it look more web-like. You can make your spider brown, purple. As we saw in our science video, they can be all kinds of different colors. If you want to have rainbow legs, give it rainbow legs. Whatever you want, make it happen. This is where we're at. Unfortunately, I don't have time to stick around and color mine with you today. But go ahead and color it whatever you would like. That is it for this art lesson. I told you it would be quick. and we will have more to come in the future. To my students, go ahead and finish this up. Go do your independent work, and then enjoy lunch and have a great rest of your day. Okay, remember to take a break, and don't work too excruciatingly hard. That was a really hard word to say. And be sure not to work past 155 today. If you get to 155 and you still have work to do, just call it a day. We'll get it done tomorrow. Have a great day, and I will see you all tomorrow morning.